Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Is Jeeva Samadhi the same as a God realization? Why is Jeeva Samadhi more difficult to achieve without a physical body? So here, first thing we need to understand Jeeva Samadhi. Jeeva Samadhi means when I have this physical body, I maintain this physical body, its awareness, its consciousness, but I will not die. Got this point? Very few people like yogis who attain the Jeeva Samadhi. And this Jeeva Samadhi is not a 1 or 2 days activity, I am telling you. Years of tapasya, you can go into Jeeva Samadhi. It is not easier. Where you know how to pull the prana and hold at the bindu sthana and consciously disconnect pancha pranas and all lower dimension energy and be there in this dimension as a consciousness in the physical body, and that body will be sustained, stored or safeguarded as a samadhi that we call as a Jeeva Samadhi. Jeeva means life force should be there. With that life force, samadhi means oneness with the divinity is already attained. Means God realization already happened. Self realization is already happened. At the same time, above the God realization, the person as a yogi know how to disconnect from pancha pranas, pull his prana into a bindu and hold his prana into bindu for many years or yugas. That is what we call Jeeva Samadhi. Very few people. Siddhas could able to do it. Siddhas could able to do it. So Jeeva Samadhi should be in the physical body. So there is no question exists that what is the difficulty to achieve without a physical body. When Jeeva Samadhi means in a physical body, holding the prana at the highest dimension and being in this body with that consciousness for a long time. That is a Jeeva Samadhi. Okay? So this is not an ordinary thing. It's an extraordinary yogic ability. Very few people can experience it. So it is very difficult for a normal sadhak. Okay? When you do the sadhana, you happily drop the body. That I can assure you. Happily, without any fear, without any suffering, without any attachment, I can drop my body with a smile, with a happiness, with a trust, knowing that I am one with divine Shiva and Shakti. That I can assure you for a sincere Srividya sadhak. But Jeeva Samadhi is not a 1 day activity, 1 hour activity. 24 hours you have to work with your prana. There are many challenges will come. Many challenges will come. Organ problems will happen. It's not easier. It's not easier to attain a Jeeva Samadhi. And I have seen very few yogis who has worked years and years of tapasya, they could able to attain that. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.